Hello again, Algebra 2 students. We are back into our complex number syllabus. We are in Tier 1, Lesson 3, writing a quadratic with complex numbers. Let's check off our book. So here we are with writing a quadratic with complex numbers. Recall from Unit 4, when we are given two roots, we can write the factors of a quadratic in factored form. And given the quadratic with roots p and q, the factors are written in factored form of y equals x minus p and x minus q. So if a quadratic has 2 and negative 5 as its roots, what are the factors? Well, then we said this 2 was the p and this negative 5 was the q. We would say x minus 2 and x minus negative 5. So the x minus 2 is okay, but we can simplify x minus negative 5 even more and just make it x plus 5. So our two factors would be x minus 2 and x plus 5. And remember that another name for roots is zeros. So we can take this concept and apply it to dealing with complex numbers. So if we had a quadratic who had imaginary solutions and it said that its roots were 2i and negative 5i, we would use the same concept. So we would have x minus 2i if this was my p, and I'll call negative 5i my q, and then it would be x minus negative 5i, and then I would simplify this one again over here into x plus 5i. So my two factors would now be x minus 2i and x plus 5i.